Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Welcome, welcome, welcome everybody. This is my home refurbishment project. So we just literally picked up the keys about 5 minutes ago. I just wanted to do a very quick house tour pre-renovations. So we are completely gutting and redoing the house. So this is not going to be too long. It's just going to give you a very quick overview of the whole house. So this is the hallway. We don't have central heating in the house at the moment. It's currently got electric storage heaters. So these are all going and we're getting central heating put in. This is the hallway. Through here is the lounge. The living room lounge at the moment. We think that they probably have some sort of figurine that sat here, maybe. And they blocked up the fireplace. So we're going to open up the fireplace and block that in. TV's going to go here. We're going to get floating shelves on both sides and built-in cabinets, sofa, chairs, radiator, bay window. That's this room. Getting rid of this flooring. What's that? On to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, which I can touch either side from. It's teeny tiny baby. We are knocking this wall down. See ya. Bye-bye. No more wall here. Getting rid of all of these tiles. This is all going to be redone. We've got a pantry here, which is good. Pantry. That was going to be a downstairs loo, but it's too small, so we can't fit it in there, and it's got all my electrics, so we're not allowed to do that. But that's a good, handy space. This door is being blocked up here, so we're going to have a run of units all the way along there. And then this is going to be the dining area. We've got a gorgeous 70s crazy stone fireplace, which is all going to be taken out. We're going to keep the chicken breast. This is going to be the dining area, and obviously that wall won't be there. And I'm getting some French windows put in. Going out to the garden. Upstairs. Master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which is pretty good size, and there's a fireplace behind here, so we're going to take this off, and that's the master bedroom. Then through here is the second bedroom. The bed will go here. I'm going to get rid of that. Pretty nice view. That's that one. Okay. This is the bathroom. This. I mean, just pan up. Yeah. They were inspired by a hospital, I think, for that. So this is going to be gone. So we're going to rip all of this out, and then through here is the third bedroom. This is definitely the box bedroom. You can fit a single bed in here, but this is going to be my bike room. So I'm going to have my bikes and all of my kit and all my race stuff. That's going to be in here. We turned into a driveway at some point. Go downstairs. Down. This is quite low actually, isn't it really? Keys. I'm not actually sure which key is for this one. I'm going to see if it's this one. Aha! Perfect. Okay, so obviously this is going to be blocked up, so it won't be here anymore. This is the back garden. So it's actually a really, really good size. We're going to basically rip everything out of it. We've got lots of plans and ideas, and then this right here is going to be my utility room. We're going to raise the roof, but it's going to have like my washer and dryer and stuff in it. So yeah, that's the house tour. I'm officially a homeowner. I'm officially on the ladder. I've been waiting for this day. I'm so excited for the journey to begin. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have already set up an Instagram for the new house. If you want to follow it, I'll put a link down below. Hope that you've enjoyed this video, this very quick house tour. Homeowner, yeah! Okay, bye.